Welcome to videos from thedigital.com. In this video we're going to look at Windows build 25982 for Windows Insiders on the Canary channel. Sometimes do build videos on Canary channel if there's interesting stuff in there, and there's a couple of things that are worth talking about in this build as well. So the first thing you'll see is that the Windows Copilot, or Copilot for Windows, is now built into the OS. It wasn't previously available, and now it is. So this is my first time firing up, so here you can see it. So you can do the things, the Copilot things like turn on dark mode, turn off dark mode, take a picture, or just the general chat things that you can do with Copilot. So that's now in the build, which is good to see. It's this Microsoft say it's slowly rolling out, but I've got it straight away, and it does depend if your market's supported as well. So I think it's available in North America, United Kingdom, Asia, and South America. Alright, some other changes in this. With this build, SMB encryption it now supports requiring encryption on SMB outbound clients. So this is a new option. So admins can make the server request or require encryption, and the client won't connect if not. So you've got those options. Other thing with this build is network-related resolvers is enabled to use encrypted DNS protocols like DNS over HTTPS, and it's a client-side setting as well. Dev drive, the ReFS file system block clone is now supporting the copy engine, so you can that improves performance. And the remote desktop admin, the old MSTC C.exe, this one now supports optional zoom of 350, 400, 450 and 500%. There's some issues for crashing with voice access when dictating text. They fix some issues with File Explorer hanging, and they fix some issues with the print queue not being accessible. That's been around for a while. And there is one known issue listed that some popular games may not work correctly with recent builds. So yeah, be careful. Don't put this on your main gaming machine. But of course, this is a Canary build, so you're not going to be having that on your main builds, are you? Anyway, so that's the changes of this build. Not a huge amount, but last week we got extra Bluetooth LE support for hearing aids and that kind of thing. So it's good to see that the Canary channel is getting some development. So that's it for this video. You can find out more on thedigital.com. I'll see you then.